Hey, here is PantherTech18 and my name is Le Chen Dai. This is our final project and finally I become the coordinator. This time my task will be to be a good leader to make sure everything could get done by on time. And particularly I still need to answer some questions and to write the final report. During this project, we learned another pattern or another technique we can use for parallel programming, which is the MapReduce technique. And I think by learning this kind of technique in the future, we can have more tools and be more beneficial to program in parallel programming. And to talk about the biggest challenge for this time, that I think that will be the shortage of time, because this has already been the last week of the semester and we do not have much time for like all the class to make the final project done. So this is our biggest challenge, but we still get the time to get things done. That is pretty good.
Hey, my name is Ernest, and I'm a member of PantherTech18. So for this last project, my assignment was to work with the Pi, code the part, and make sure everything is running well. So far what I've learned from this assignment is the difference between programming in sequential and programming in parallel programming. And for parallel programming, so far we've learned so much technique like map reducing, worker, master, all those kind of stuff we've learned. And for sequential, eventually we use sequential in other classes, so now I can tell the difference with when you program in sequential and when we program in parallel programming. So yeah, is much you gain a lot of time by reducing work, by dividing each work into trade, so it's cool. But so far the challenge, the biggest challenge we've got so far, as my coordinator say, is the time. Since this is pretty much the last week of semester, we got a lot of homework, pretty much everyone is busy, so to all of us to meet together was a big challenge. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jiao Mai, and my role for this assignment is to answer the questions from the programming task. What I learned from this project is that I can gain more skills in programming with the Pi and using assembly language. What I can apply these skills in my future courses is that I can look at a code and understand it completely, and what I will apply the same thing to my future job in the future. Our biggest challenge for this assignment, as the other two said, that it was really difficult for us to find the time together, like to shoot the videos and to look at the codes and understand it together. That's it.
Hey, my name is Darina. For this assignment, I was responsible for answering questions about MapReduce Parallel model and updating our GitHub account. Some of the things that I learned was how the MapReduce works and why it is very efficient parallel model. I believe this knowledge can be applied in our future workspace. The reason is that MapReduce implementation used in processing and generating big data sets that can be very useful in some future projects. The biggest challenge of this assignment was finding time to do all the required work, but as always, with everybody's effort, we could successfully finish our last project. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nico, PantherTech18. As the final member, my task for this assignment, I oversee the code and I also do the video, shooting the video and uploading. Two things that I've learned from this assignment is the first thing being the definite difference between serial and parallel programming, how much more efficient parallel is, and how we use it now much more in today's technology and machines, and how it benefits us. Next thing was just how MapReduce was developed inside Google and what it was used for, how it skyrocketed our efficiency in code and programming. I can apply this knowledge with MapReduce in the future because specifically Google also, they use it to handle a lot of huge data, big data. So those type of things we're always using and implementing in different ways. So it'll be very helpful in a future career. The hardest thing, you guessed it, was time, like all my group mates said. But we are finding a way to get through it, making sure we come out on top and do what we need to do. I'm proud of my group members. Thank you, PantherTech18.
Bye bye. This is the end of the semester. See you guys.